Good morning. It's Tuesday. My first set is done. I made a video about it, or I thought I was making a video about it, but the camera didn't record. It was on, it was flashing, it was doing everything it was supposed to do. It was being a camera, but it didn't record. This is set number 2. I rested for about 10 minutes while I was trying to put the video on the camera and figuring out why the camera didn't record. So it's time for set number 2. This is day 27 of my first 90 days working out. And I had said a lot in that other video that I do these spur of the moment. I just turn on the camera. I don't plan out the videos. I just turn on the camera, do my workout, and talk about stuff. I can't remember everything I talked about. But one thing I will say is that if you're planning on starting to exercise, I will never tell you what you should be doing. We are so varied in our health, our fitness, our activity levels. Everything else is so varied. There is no one out there that can tell you, you need to do this dumbbell exercise. You need to do this Tai Chi exercise. You need to walk this many steps. You need to run this many miles. There is no one size fits all. What I will say is when you first start to exercise, I don't care what you're doing. I don't care if you're sitting on a chair just raising your arms like this. You need to do it every day. It takes discipline to get started. Once you're moving every day, that discipline slowly becomes habit. I'm not disciplined because I do my workout every morning. It's become a habit. I just do it every morning. I used to have bad habits. I used to smoke. And because it was such a habit, it didn't matter how sick I was. It didn't matter that every time I took a drag off that cigarette, I was already sick. I was coughing. I was sneezing. I felt like crap, but I wasn't going to quit smoking. I'd take a drag, hack up a lung, take another drag, hack up. It was a habit. So no matter what got in the way of that habit was going to be performed. I've just taken that mindset and put it into this. This is now a habit. It's not discipline anymore. Eating one meal a day used to be a habit when I was an arborist and growing up on a farm and everything else. I used to eat one meal a day. It was a habit. It wasn't discipline. It wasn't because I didn't have food. It was just a habit to eat one meal a day. When I took the at-home job, it was too easy to get up and grab a bag of chips off the fridge. It was too easy to buy donuts. It was too easy to do that stuff. And then that became the habit. Constantly grazing, shoving food in my mouth. When I started my business and I had to leave the house and be out all day, I got back into the habit of eating one meal a day. It's not discipline, it's a habit. And habits can change, habits can get better, or habits can get worse. All I can say, there's no one size fits all when it comes to exercise. Just go for the good habits. Instead of walking to the kitchen to grab a bag of chips, how about walk to the kitchen and then back to the bedroom 5 times? Something like that. And forget about the chips. Eventually, that replaces the habit of grabbing that bag of chips. Let's get this second set over with. I'm pretty spent this morning already. And I was aggravated that my camera didn't work. We're going to do it a little different this morning. Okay, the hardest part for me is I do my presses and my curls, and then once I'm doing my shrugs and then I lean over to do my lats, this part of my arm burns too much. So doing the curls, then the lats, then, oh yeah, almost forgot again. When I'm just doing my exercises, I don't forget to do that. When I'm making a video, I have things to say, and I seem to forget that one. So, doing the lats after the curls, then the weights are just hanging, because I'm doing my shrugs and my squats. That makes it easier for me to complete the set. So that's better for me. You'll notice something else. When I'm doing my curls, I'm now turning the weights and putting them against my leg, because I realized that when I'm doing my workout faster, speeding up my workout, if I have them out here, I have a tendency to swing. And that's not working the muscles as much. Putting them here, I can't swing. I have to strictly use the arms. And let me tell you, doing that last night and 2 sets this morning, I'm feeling it. I am working the arms better. Today is Tuesday, day 27. I want to thank everybody that subscribed so far. You guys rock. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Remember, if you're new here, click on this playlist over here and start watching my journey from the very beginning. I've said it before. You don't open a book and start reading in the middle and then wonder what led up to that. You start at the beginning. Click the playlist. Start watching from the beginning. I will see you on Wednesday.